Hello, we are at 1605 Clay Street, and this is apartment 17. Top floor, large one-bedroom unit. The top floor in this building is the 5th floor, so there is an elevator in the building. Right when you walk in the front door of this apartment, you're in a large foyer area, which is open to the living room. You'll see lovely coved ceilings and picture rail, large windows. It gets great natural light. There is the breaker box for the unit. Please excuse, we have a tiny little bit of touch-up paint to do. Okay, we got an open pass through here to the kitchen. There is the thermostat for the heat. Electric wall mounted heaters, incidentally. Okay, we have a European style fridge, freezer on the bottom. Microwave, glass top electric stove, dishwasher. We have a double farm style sink with disposal and butcher block countertops with a nice subway tile backsplash and plenty of cabinet space. Okay, white cabinets with black handles. This unit has softwood floors throughout, with the exception of the bathroom, which has black and white tile floor. We'll get there here in a second. All right, this bedroom will comfortably accommodate a king-size bed. Again, nice big windows for excellent natural light. Have a molded plaster ceiling detail. This unit does have laundry. Here's your washer dryer. Okay, bathroom. You'll see matching subway tile backsplash here, black and white tile floor. This cabinet has endless on-demand hot water. Couple of drawers here under the bathroom sink for storage. And then shower stall with a rain shower style shower head. We have a partnership with a parking garage that is 2 blocks away. This building is on Clay at 16th. The parking garage is on Clay at 14th. It's called Ace Garage. And we have a preferential rate for our tenants, $260 a month. Okay, so please let me know if you need additional information about that. Here in the building, we do have on-site bicycle storage that is included in the rent. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Again, 1605 Clay, and this has been apartment 17.